Okay guys, so I just finished washing Zoe's hair. I used the Make It Last Wash and Go shampoo and the conditioner. So you're going to see some white chunks in Zoe's hair, and that's just some extra gel. I washed her hair twice. I'm used to it just staying in her hair. So I'm going to take the curl primer and I'm going to use this, and this acts as a detangler as well, and it works so good, guys. So I put some throughout the hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and section off her hair into 4 sections to make it easier to detangle. I was just simply using this just as more of a leave-in conditioner, because this is the step after you shampoo and condition the hair. But I did not know how well this stuff detangles, and as you guys are going to see, Zoe is very tender-headed. I can literally barely comb her hair and she'll start crying. So she was crying in this video, guys. I didn't post it to, like, you know, show her crying, but she's very sensitive to her scalp. So I try my best to detangle her hair as good as I could using a lot of the curl primer, but it helped so well to help detangle her hair. Literally, it took me 15 minutes to detangle her hair. And I tried to be as gentle as possible with her curls, but her curls are really tight and they tangle up really easily. And that's why I don't let her wear her hair out too much. And I had to add Zara in the mix to help her feel a little bit better, because she was really crying, guys. She was so sad. So normally I would take Zoe's hair and I would put it in 4 sections and do some little, add some fake hair to do some plaits with it, just to protect her hair, because we had a whole situation with her hair, and because her hair gets super tangly easily. I don't let her normally wear out her natural hair, but lately we've been experimenting again with her own natural hair. And as you guys can see, it was rough to do this with 2 kids, but we managed to get it done. Next, we're going to take the Revival Oil, and I absolutely love this stuff because it helped moisturize her scalp and also her hair. So I'm just squeezing some mostly into the scalp, then I'm going to take some in my hands and spread it throughout the hair. And Zoe actually really liked it because she loved the smell of it. It smells so good. Please don't mind, my daughter has food on her face and little snots in her nose because she was crying. So I'm going to take the gel here, and I love this gel because it defines the curls a little bit. It doesn't really hold the edges or anything, but it really moisturizes the curls. So I'm going to take this all over her ends and a little bit on her roots, but mainly on her ends to kind of make the curls bounce. And she wanted her hair in one ponytail to the side, but then I told her that it's going to put too much strain on her hair to force it all into one ponytail. So we decided to meet in the middle and do 2 ponytails, one in the front and one in the back, and the one in the front is going to go to the side, and she was okay with that. So I'm just going to brush her hair into a ponytail, and I pull kind of tight at first just to kind of make sure I got all the curls and stretch them out. And then I'm going to go and get the Eco Styling Gel, and I do use 2 rubber bands just to make sure that I'm not just using one to pull her hair too much. But I like the Eco Styling Gel just to kind of get all the frizzies and to kind of you know, get the edges. And her little boob was out, so I had to put that cupcake. I don't know what was going on with her top. So you guys see me using the Eco Styling Gel just to kind of lay down her little frizzies in the front. But as you guys can see, this gel works amazing on her curls, makes them bounce, and I love the way they look. She's making funny faces. So of course she wanted to see what her hair looked like. She hasn't seen her hair styled in a while because I always do it in a different way. And lastly, I had to lay them edges, honey, so I'm just using some Eco Styling Gel, and this is the red one. I like that one. It doesn't like really leave any flakes, and I'm just going to lay down those edges and style them. And of course, Zoe being Zoe, have to make silly faces at herself in the mirror, not realizing that I was recording. So once I finish slaying her little edges, I'm just going to pick out her curls a little bit more, but that is really it, guys. I really keep it simple when I let her wear her own natural hair. I don't do anything too crazy, but that is Zoe's hair. Let me know how you guys feel about this tutorial down below. And these steps are super easy to use. It's just 5 simple products just to style your hair, wash and go, and it makes the curls bounce and pop. And I loved how her hair looked, and it looked amazing days after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.